Alright, now we've cleaned the area up, and I've attached the bridge assembly here right over. I used a larger area here to cover the entire impact point. It was a bit wider than the standard injector. So I have this little piece here that goes on there that kind of increases the diameter, so that way we can cover the entire surface of the damage, so that none of the resin comes out the side, because we're going to pressurize it with this plunger here. And in case we didn't mention earlier, this is mobile glass, and we're in Lakeway doing a windshield crack repair. And at this point, we're going to add some resin from Diamond Clear, place that in there, and we'll be right back. Alright, you can see that the plunger is in place here, and we have forced the resin into the crack. And if I get this to focus again, you can see that the damage has pretty much disappeared. Let's see if we... It's very difficult to make out where the cracks were. So now we'll apply UV light. So this light here will get that resin to harden.
No, sir. No, ma'am. No. Stop it.
Alright, you can obviously still see where it is here, but definitely filled in the cracks. And let's keep it from running. So, if you think it will look like a new windshield, you are wrong. It won't look like it wasn't ever broken in the first place, but it'll greatly diminish the appearance. You can see that. Alright, just give us a call, 512-240-9121. Lake Travis Mobile Glass. Thanks.